Hey guys, Shane here with Yorkton Kia. Just want to do another little video here to go over the online booking process. It's still so easy, even Adam can do it. Come on, we'll show you. Okay, here we are at the Kia homepage. Get you up here to the service appointment option. First things first, we're going to ask you to enter a phone number or a VIN, whichever comes handy for you. Get into the next spot, you're going to pick your vehicle and then hit next. Here it's going to give you a list of all available options that you can book in for your service. It gives you a full list of everything available as well as pricing. You click on this little information button on the far right hand side. Here it's going to give you a full list of services performed in that service bundle. You can go back in here and compare bundles, or if you know which one you're going to get, you can just fill in the box and hit forward. It's also going to show you a spot here where it's going to give you a list of all outstanding recalls and campaigns on your vehicle. Here we're going to go straight with the old Total Care. We'll hit the next button here. And now it's going to give you an option to pick transportation. So if you want to stay at the dealership or you need a shuttle ride, any of the options here, you click it in. Next step is going to be date choice, and it allows you to pick your date as well as a time. Here we're going to go on the 20th because we have the availability, and pick 9:30 in the morning here. And hit next. Now here gives you the option to finalize your booking. You can hit book and it'll move you forward. And here you go. It gives you your confirmation page letting you know that your booking is completed. All right, guys, now if you have any questions or concerns, or you just want to go ahead and book it the old-fashioned way, you can give us a shout down here at the service desk, 306-783-2772.